lot of our clients come to us with builder basic finishes, whether that's from a new construction home they just purchased or a new to them home. Not all of these projects are in need of a major renovation, but they're definitely looking for a facelift. So we like to focus on 3 things that you can change to upgrade your builder basic finishes. Number 1 is lighting. The most simple thing you can do to upgrade the feel of a space is swap out some of your light fixtures. Builder basic lights will generally be super simple. So this means replacing boob lights with a more decorative flush mount fixture and replacing ceiling fans, especially in rooms with vaulted or high ceiling spaces, with something more decorative that helps anchor the design and anchor the furniture plan underneath it. Number 2 is window treatments. Most new homes or builder basic homes are going to come with the most straightforward and basic window treatment. In order to dress up your windows and make them feel like a real feature of the space, we can add window treatments. We have 2 standard rules for window treatments: go high and go wide, to really make that space and that feature feel like a focal point in your room. And number 3 is millwork. Generally, the trim, the crown molding, and the architectural features of a builder basic home are going to be really simple and really minimal. So you can upgrade the trim or add additional features like a textured wall panel, a reclaimed wood beam, or a decorative mantle to really bring the space into your aesthetic and upgrade it to modern times. All in all, these 3 things are super simple swaps that we can do in a space to really make the space feel completely transformed without undergoing a major renovation.